And that's it, the car is fully built and ready to drive. You have printed every part, assembled the mechanics, wired the electronics and tuned the system from scratch. I would love to see what you've made. Post photos or videos of your build, share your modifications and leave feedback about the course. Your input helps me improve the project and add even better content in the future. If you run into any issues or something isn't clear, leave a comment. I read them all, and if needed, I will fix the design, clarify the steps or create a more detailed video to help you out. Thanks for building along with me. Now go drive it, break it, improve it and most importantly, have fun!